little side note, make sure you don't forget that little lock on the fuel pump. You want to reuse that. Mine didn't come with one, so make sure you take that off, put it on the new one so it keeps it locked. Let's grab a boo, I'll show you. So, like I said, they don't have a new one. So just take the old one, slide it over, and boom. Now you're golden. Take that out of there. Fuel line. Slide it on. Boom. Good to go. The new harness. Let's get that plug on there. Boom. Okay. So, let's see if this thing, just like that. Now, let's see if this thing starts. Hope so.